Welcome back, guys. Free coins and free tickets will be yours in Real Cricket. You can get it for both iOS and Android devices within 3 or 4 minutes of your time. Forget about those grinding days. Start enjoy playing Real Cricket with those free resources. Let me show you how you can get it. So guys, now I'm loading up in Real Cricket to see if we will get the free coins and free tickets and just enjoy playing our favorite Real Cricket game, of course, that is without any issues. So guys, now let me just see. You can see that it is a fresh account, but not anymore. With the free coins and free tickets, you will be playing Real Cricket like never before. So now let me show you what we need to do, guys. Basically, how we can get the Real Cricket free coins and free tickets. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for appspatched.com. Because right there, we will search directly for Real Cricket. So type it in here, real, but type it correctly, of course, like that. And here it is. Select it, select the icon, and then we will select our username in the game. After that, the platform, and now the amount of the free coins and free tickets that we want to receive. After we tap on the generate button, guys, we will proceed further so you can see how fast, how easy these steps are, and we will be one step closer now into getting those resources. So continue to verification. You will have a step-by-step tutorial on what exactly needs to be done right here. You can watch it, but basically your boy will explain to you like the whole tutorial. So you will have two options: to either complete 2 questionnaires where you will need to answer some simple questions, follow out those instructions, and that is how you complete it, basically. So fast and so efficient. But you can also go ahead and download 2 apps from the official App Store, Google Play Store. So some apps will have on you to open them up after installing them or to just register. So make sure to read that. Read the description before downloading an app or a game. Complete what is needed from you, and you will get your free coins and free tickets in Real Cricket. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.